Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic coin. Yes, in the past 24 hours, Terra Classic was able to double the amount of the trading coins they actually traded in the past 24 hours. Now, about 937 billion 301,652,008 LUNC coin has been traded in the past 24 hours. Remember, Binance, people are really trading. Binance are controlling the larger part of Terra Classic trading volume. Now, this is amount to about $124,538,814 at the time of recording days. But remember, yesterday, Terra Classic was able to trade just a little bit over 431 billion coins, and today you can see about 937 billion. This is amazing. This is double of what has been traded yesterday, and we recorded over 157 increase on Terra Classic volume. Well, it's amazing. I'm happy to see this coin trading almost 1 trillion LUNC coins in 24 hours. If this continue, I believe our burning definitely is going to increase in price. Our burning is definitely going to increase, and I believe if can gain over between $300 million trading volume to $500 million trading volume, Terra Classic next burning is going to be amazing, because the more people buy, the more people trade, the more money will be charged. And I hope to see Terra Classic at a very high level before the end of this year. Well, for me, I believe 937 billion LUNC coins been traded in 24 hours is not much, but I hope for the best. I hope crypto industry will continue to increase in price. I hope that Terra Classic will not disappoint. Yes, Terra Classic will become one of the best crypto coins of 2023. Once again, remember to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos.